cornmeal porridge, so I got cornmeal. I usually get this brand. Sometimes I get the fine one, sometimes I get the medium one. So if you have the medium one, you can put it in a blender to break it down some more. And I'm going to add a scoop of my protein powder with probiotics to get some more nutrients into it. And I'm just going to put it in my blender and with a cups of water in a saucepan or pot. I'm going to add cinnamon stick. If you have cinnamon powder, you can add a tablespoon of cinnamon powder. If you have dry orange peel or tangerine peel, any citrus peel, well, this is mostly orange, you can add that too to your porridge to give you a nice flavor. Okay, so blend your cornmeal and your protein powder together, and then when the water starts boiling, then you can add the cornmeal liquid. Use a whisk too, a whisk here to stir the porridge. That it doesn't harm the lumps. So make sure it's incorporated into the liquid using a whisk. But doesn't slump and come in, okay? Okay, so just let it cook at medium heat. Medium heat. That medium heat for about 20 to 30 minutes. And you can cover it up. Just let it do that for 20 minutes and let it get to cook properly. So I added my sugar with my spicing, and I'm just using the whisk too. So to get this consistency, we added another cup of water. No, it's not too thick, it's just right. And using the whisk really prevents the lump from forming. And time to share our porridge. This is our final product. We have a 1.5 cup of cornmeal with our protein powder, and now we have added our spices and our sugars. So this is the amount that I get from that amount of cornmeal. So this can serve for 4 people, and I'm just gonna pour them in the bowl right now. So this is